Siri, initiate order 66.
Affirmative. Order is being carried out. May your reign be long and prosperous, Emperor.
And just like that, I've commanded my AI agent to do my bidding. Concerning possibly efficient, absolutely. If you want to control AI agents from your phone, this is the video for you. Your prerequisites are the following: an iPhone with Apple Intelligence and a Relevance AI account. First, we'll open up the Shortcuts app. We'll be using this to send commands over to our agents. We need to find the get content from URL shortcut step. This is the simple way to make API calls without needing to code any fancy apps. Now we need to navigate over to Zapier to find a webhook that we can call from our Shortcuts app. Once we have the webhook, we'll copy and paste it and put it into our Shortcuts app. Once we're back there, we'll plug the webhook URL in, and we need to change the request type to a post request because we are going to be sending data over to Zapier. In the body, we'll add whatever information we want the agent to receive, whether this is a straightforward command that is always going to be that, or it could also be a piece of spoken text that you tell Siri to convey over to Zapier. Now, all we have to do is make sure that Zapier gets our command, and would you look at that? It works. Then we'll pick a suitable Relevance AI agent that we want to call. And in this case, it was our initiate order 66 agent. So we'll go ahead and pick that. And we're done. And once that is done, your phone can now call AI agents. Would you look at that? Use this power to increase your efficiency and responsibly. See you.